Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and using focused search terms. This gets you past broad noise. Type concise keywords like AI, art, generative E, then switch to tags and accounts. This filters results immediately. Once done, follow 5-10 promising tags and save sample posts to a collection. This creates a feed of relevant content. Make sure to check suggested accounts under each profile, because Instagram's algorithm will show niche creators fast. This step builds the pipeline you'll refine. Now you move into deeper discovery by reading bios for model names and roles. These textual signals tell you if a creator uses AI tools. Then, use Explore and the similar account suggestions. Instagram clusters creators by behavior, so follow one and watch the list grow. Once done, inspect pinned reels and posting cadence to judge activity. Make sure to open a few posts and view commenters. Tech-savvy communities often leave clues, which helps you distinguish active AI accounts from casual posters. Finish by following and engaging. Save profiles to a collection, like recent content, and send brief DMs to key creators. Engagement improves algorithmic visibility. Then, cross-check account names on other platforms and run reverse image search for unique work. This verifies real AI practice. If results stall, clear the app cache, broaden your tag list, and try different language terms. Sometimes niche creators use non-English tags. One troubleshooting tip: if suggestions remain poor, temporarily switch to a new account to reset recommendation signals and start fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.